Hey y'all, how you doing? All right. Um, Took a little break from YouTube, just about like a week or so. Had to. I've been sick, uh, so I am now back out in the garage, as you can see. And as you can see, oh, big mess, big mess. So, and let me flip this around. Let's see a little. There's a big mess, but there's a good outcome from it. Okay. So if you look, as you can see, this is getting a CAT scan by Oliver there. Yeah. So as you can see, these are all factory service tools. These are actually Chrysler factory service tools. And but as you can also see, I've had them for a while, and the local mice like to make them into their little home. So I've been doing some moving around over here on these shelves, and I've got some empty bin boxes there to go in those. So my thinking is I'm going to take all of this stuff out of these styrofoam containers. I'm not going to throw the containers away. I'm going to hang on to them. I'm going to take all of this stuff and start putting it into these bin boxes. So, all right. Um, so, but these are factory service tools for a lot of Chrysler stuff, from back in the day, in the 60s and 70s. So, look here. Spicer, Dina 60, as you can see. Oh, it's gone. Okay. But, as you can see, installer, rear pinion bearing, Spicer, 53, 5, 9 and a quarter. Okay. So, anyway, all right, I'm going to get busy here, and I will give you an update as I move along, okay? So, be back in just a minute. Okay, y'all. As you can see, this is my plan here. I have these little bin boxes I got from auto parts stores, some auto parts stores years ago. So, as you can see, I've got stuff marked on here like 9 3/4, 8 3/4, steering column tools, some transmission tools here, some tools in there, 7 1/4 rear axle, 9 1/4. This special tool here. So I'm not throwing these away. These are staying with me. I'm just removing the tools out of them because honestly, these were so big, they were taking up so much space in my little bitty garage that I really needed that space for other stuff, and I need to get these things out so I can actually use them. So that's why I'm doing all this. So they'll be going over there in those holes right there. So I'll show you a little bit more here in just a minute. Yeah, I haven't cleaned up the mess yet. That's coming up though. But as you can see, these three here are empty. And like I said before, not throwing them away, not getting rid of them. I'm going to hang on to them because they do have the part numbers for all these tools. So, but a lot of your really good, manuals will have a lot of these tool numbers too. So, there we go. Okay, I'm going to get back at it, show you a little bit more in just a minute. Okay, y'all, now as you can see, all of these things are empty. And I've got all of the crap shook out of them. Well, it's piled up over here, of course. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm breathing through this mask. Still have bronchitis. But got all of these put over here. Got to do a little more cleaning here, as you can see. But it's coming right along swimmingly. So I'm looking forward to using some of these when I need to. Looking forward to them just being here when I need them. They'll be here. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. I've got to clean all of that up there, and I've got, as you can see, the mess is just everywhere. But, all right. So I got a lot of cleaning up to do still. So I'm going to get on that, and I'll show you some more results in just a minute. Okay? Okay, y'all. As you can see, the mountain of chewed up styrofoam and leaves and all sorts of other mice debris is gone. As you can see, all of these are over here in place. As you can also see, these, a lot of engine brackets, transmission mounts. Here's Dodge truck sway bar brackets. Here's some other brackets. Slant 6 engine bracket. Here is 8 3/4 pinion snubber bracket right there. Transmission mount. All looks like maybe an alternator bracket. Just a whole variety, wide variety of brackets there. So, what I'm trying to do here is just basically straighten up and make this a little bit more organized and a little bit more user friendly, where I can come over here. Oh, hey, I need these tools for 8 1/4. And here we go. See what I'm saying? Or I need these tools for 8 3/4, and come over here and grab them. Of course, cardboard bin boxes are always can be a little temperamental. So let's pull these out just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. But anyway, there we go. And all right, I hope you got something out of this. But I will be continuing work on the 8 3/4. I will be making videos on that as well. So there's the housing all cleaned up. I got Timken bearings, which is fantastic. I got parts cleaning in that. So next, I got to get these bearings pressed on to their respective parts and get them all set up and ready to go. If you, feel free to give me the thumbs up and all of that sort of things. But also, I really do appreciate everybody for watching. If you have any questions about this or any other video, you know what to do. You're smart. Put it down below. I'll answer your question just as best I can, as soon as I can. And I appreciate all that you do. All my subscribers. It's last I checked, it's like 405 subscribers. Wow. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great one.